Good morning, everybody, and thank you for being here. My name is Jessica Lewis. I'm a commissioner here in Bingham County, and in my role as a commissioner, I have the privilege of being part of the hospital board. I'm honored to be here today representing Bingham County and my fellow Bingham County commissioners, Chairman Whitney Manwaring and Commissioner Mark Baird. Healthcare Worker Appreciation Week Proclamation. Whereas healthcare workers have fought valiantly on the front lines of the novel coronavirus pandemic, COVID-19, that has affected our county, state, and nation this past year. And whereas healthcare workers have put themselves in the path of this virus in Bingham County and around the country during this unprecedented crisis. And whereas doctors, nurses, public health workers, long-term care providers, hospital workers, respiratory therapists, technicians, laboratory scientists, transporters, EMTs, pharmacists, and supporting staff have cared for the most vulnerable populations in emergency and inpatient care, and whereas the devoted individuals have been responsible for providing care in the challenging conditions of danger and uncertainty, and our county is grateful for the sacrifices our healthcare workers make every day, and especially through this pandemic, and whereas the dedication, commitment, and courage of all healthcare workers worldwide deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration, whose service has saved countless lives. And now, therefore, we, Chairman Whitney Manwaring, Mark Baird, and Jessica Lewis, the Commissioners of Bingham County, Idaho, do hereby proclaim Monday, May 10th, 2021 through Sunday, May 16th, 2021 as Healthcare Worker Appreciation Week in Bingham County, Idaho, and ask the citizens of our great county to recognize the dedication of all healthcare workers here in our county and throughout the world for the vital role they play in enhancing and saving the lives every day, and especially during this pandemic. Thank you.
Jessica, thank you for being here today. What has the last year of healthcare workers meant to you, not only here, but around the country?
It's been a challenging year for everybody, and the healthcare workers have been through it all. They've worked through all of this. They've been to the front lines of all this, and we wouldn't be here without the doctors, nurses, and all the support staff. And so it is very important to our community and to the country. And luckily here in Bingham County, we have great healthcare workers that got us through this.
We couldn't agree more. We're kicking off Hospital Week 2021, and we went with the theme of Bingham's superheroes because we do really feel like they are superheroes without capes. So do you kind of feel like they're kind of the unsung heroes, not only during COVID, but they just don't get enough appreciation during any time?
I agree. Usually when you're into healthcare, as a patron of healthcare, it's not a good experience. You're not there for a great thing. And so on a regular day, you don't always get as much appreciation as you should get because people are in pain and not there for the best reasons. And then to throw them in COVID situation that nobody knew. This is something new for all of us. We all had to learn as we went, and they just stepped up and did it great. And so if you didn't appreciate them before, you definitely should appreciate them now.
We're kicking off Hospital Week, and we went with the theme of superheroes because we feel like healthcare workers in the last year have really stepped forward, frontline workers, and been the superheroes of the corona pandemic. Can you kind of touch on that as far as what you've seen on the front lines?
It never ceases to amaze me, the strength and the resilience of the healthcare workers in this facility. They may be faced with things outside of this facility regarding their own families and COVID, and yet they come to work to deliver quality, compassionate care. One would never know what they may be facing, and they smile through everything that they're going through. I always tease them about the big red S that they have on their shirts because I truly believe that they exemplify superheroes every day, just not Hospital Week.
It's super touching to me because working through the pandemic from the day we kind of went on lockdown, it's just amazing to me. We kind of touched on it being more of a nationwide thing too, and the things that the people have gone through, like with their families and stuff. What would you say is the meaning of a superhero in the healthcare industry?
Well, we all know that those of us who work in healthcare are entrusted to care for the lives of those who seek our care. But one of the things that humbles me the very most is to see these healthcare workers take care of each other. And as far as I'm concerned, that truly is a superhero. They are looking after each other and loving each other through this horrible time.
That is so true. Team Bingham.